What's up, YouTube family? Back at it with some how-tos. So we got these jet skis here that came from New York State, and these stickers will not work for Ohio. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how I remove the stickers. You can check those out right there real quickly with this little $7 decal remover. So here we go. Gotta run it at low speeds, and this is a double sticker, so it's a little thicker, but it just sort of peels it right away. And that's how we remove unwanted stickers. Now you want to go slow because you don't want to like melt it. See how that's already starting to like gum up? Now some thinner, we'll take that right off, but that's how we remove stickers. So this whole side should take probably 5 minutes. And that's how I remove these stickers. Rubber decal remover. You can find it on Amazon. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something.